This should work.
So you see the beard, how it's less saggy? That's what we're looking for.
There's different classes you can take in the Fab Lab. They'll just kind of give you an idea of what's out there as a career, but I feel like everyone should have a chance to at least take one of these classes just to see what it's all about.
So this is printed at 210 and this is printed at 200.
Honestly, I love just coming here because someone wants to go into like industrial career or something, and this is really, really useful.
Well, I'm trying to expose the kids to different pathways. It could be a mechanical engineering pathway or it could be a mechanical engineering technician pathway.
The first trimester is just kind of an intro to all the new technologies in the Fab Lab.
So this is how to use a laser cutter. This is how you use 3D modeling software. This is how you use a 3D printer.
It gives me pretty much a head start, and me coming out of high school, knowing all the stuff that I know here, it's fantastic.
Inevitably, what happens is the kids have to make a final project, try to use all those machines to create and solve a problem.
So this is the sign I have in my bedroom. I took a picture from the internet and I just kind of altered it a little, made the lines clearer, and then the laser cutter will cut it out and you can hang it up in your room.
The B level focuses on mechanical, where the kids have to design and build a frame and 3D print structural components that move with linear bearings, and they have to mount motors. So it's more a construction process. So those are all the Mechnum wheels.
Building a 3D printer, it's something that makes you feel like you can do almost anything, but it's not really considered homework for me, it's more fun.
Once they hit the C level, they get into the wiring up the electronics board, running wires to where they're supposed to be, understanding where the circuit board's supposed to be and how that goes. And then we get into the computer sciences, which is more or less how to program the printer. It's a project from concept to product, literally from start to finish. All right, you guys got it then? You guys are good? The goal is to try to make sure that the kids are following some professional skills.
Mr. Moran now is an amazing teacher.
And then following some basic processes that we believe that industry's trying to use.
Last year I wasn't as refined in my, skills as I am now, because he's taught me a lot more.
He helps you and guides you and gives you a lot of suggestions on what you can do, but he doesn't tell you what to do, so you can take it in your own direction and you learn really a lot.
Yeah, not all high schools have this. I think this is a great privilege, and this is really useful in life as well.